These are Christmas mice, a simple, no-bake holiday treat. They're made with maraschino cherries, chocolate, and a few pantry staples. Start with cherries that still have the stems because that becomes the tail and also makes it easier to dip them. Drain them, but save the juice because that can be used for other recipes later, like a cherry Shirley Temple. After that, just pat the cherries dry. Unwrap the Hershey Kisses for the heads and dig through the almond slices for whole pieces that'll be used for the ears. For the melting chocolate, we're just going to follow the package instructions and melt them gently in the microwave. Lay down a sheet of parchment paper so we don't make a mess while the mice cool down. Use a dry cherry like this to help the chocolate adhere better. Grab it by the stem and dip it into the melted chocolate to form the body of our mice. Make sure when you lay them on the parchment that the stem is off to the side like a mouse tail. Dip the bottom of a Hershey Kiss into the melted chocolate and use that like glue to attach the head. Then, one by one, dip the bottom of an almond slice and attach our ears to the mice. You can also attach the almonds to the kiss first and then glue the whole head onto the body. Both ways work. Once the chocolate sets, the mice are ready to eat, and you can pick them up right by the tail. These mice don't have a cheese pull, but I can show you an anatomical cross-section of the chocolate, the almond, and the cherry. To eat these guys, just pick them up by the tail and tell me, would you gobble them in one bite or chomp the head off first and then eat the body?